Here I will show how to create soft link and hard link in Linux. At first, create a file touch. Let's say file 1.txt. Okay, now we want to add some text. Go hello. Okay, and this is file created. And so we have created this file. Now how to create a hard link. ln file 1 file 2.txt. Now check here. You see that file created, file 2 created, and if you type ln minus li, sorry, ls minus lli, you can see the left side, the number, this is inode number, same. Okay, now my file 1 has some data. Now I want to see cat file 1, this in this content, and cat file 2. Okay, it has same content. So this is hard link. Inode is same, and data. Now if I want to add more data, let's say echo I am learning Linux. Okay, add this to file 2. Okay, cat file 2. So file 2 has this content. Now I want to say file 1. File 1 also got the data I inserted to file 2. This is how hard link works. Right? Now I will show you how to create soft link. Okay, let's say I want to create a file touch file 3.txt. Okay, and add some text there. Echo, this is for soft link. Okay, file 3. Now check content cat file 3. It has the content. Now I want to create the soft link, like link minus s. This will create the soft link. File, original file is file 3, file 4.txt. Okay, now check. So you can see that file 1 and 2, this is use this file, this is, you see that file and 1 2 has same inode. You see 524 2882 524. This is same. This is hard link, and soft link I created file 3, and I created a link between file 3 and file 4 soft link, and you will see this sign. All right, now see more that there is a soft link, and here is also, you see the link. All right, you can see this link. Does it make sense? And our file cat file 3, it has text. Now cat file 4, it has text, the same text. Now I want to add text to echo. So I am pasting soft link. I want to add this to file, it's a 4. Okay, cat file 4.text. So cat file 4, I added this text, so it will show here. Now I want to check cat file 3. I am testing something. It also got the same content. Okay, this minus L. How to understand which one is hard link and soft link? You will say inode is same for the hard link, and inode is different for the soft link, and there is a sign, this and here is link. This is soft link. Now if I delete original file rm-rf file 3, this is for soft link. Okay, I have deleted. Now you see, if you delete soft link original file, you will see this colors. Okay, this is now, if try to read cat file 4. Okay, no such file or directory because original file is deleted. It does not work. But if you delete hard link rm-rf file 2, okay, li, so now read cat file 1, still you can see the data from the file 1 because hard link inode is same. So if you delete one file, another file still exists, but soft link, it is different. This is the reason. If you delete soft link original file, it will show error. Alright, this is how hard link and soft link works. If you have any question or if you see any mistake here, please write in the comment. Thank you.